So what you're gonna wanna do when you have a Eufy vacuum, the robot vacuum, these things work excellent, very, very well. But every once in a while you'll get it start running and then shut off after a couple minutes. But some people neglect the bottom side of it. So obviously this is the cleaning bin, the blue thing here. You need to change that every time. But a lot of times people forget to look underneath. And if you have a household that has hair, so men, women, cats, dogs, whatever with hair, it's gonna get stuck in here, okay? And then you will have a tool that's a cleaning tool that you'll use. So what you'll do is you'll simply unhook this. You're gonna pull the actual roller out, and then you're gonna take the hook side of this. There's a blade in there. You can see there's a blade in there, and you're just gonna run it across and cut all the hair out on each one of the thumbs here. All right, so now that you can see it's been cleaned pretty good. You don't have to get it perfect, otherwise you're gonna be spending lots and lots of time just trying to clean it out all the time. So we're gonna put that back in. It'll line up in that little hole down there. Oh, that's the wrong side. There we go. So put that side in the side with the hole, and that slides right in there, and boom, you're ready to go. Obviously, this is not a clean job, so you're probably gonna wanna wash your hands right after doing this, but then you just turn it right back on. Boom, it's ready to go.